Hello friends, in previous video we had learned about three types of velocity time graph. In this video I will tell you other types of velocity time graph. So for better understanding you go and watch that previous video of velocity time graph. Let's begin the video.
On this graph, time is in seconds and velocity is in meters. In 10 seconds, 20 meter is covered. In 20 seconds, 60 meter is covered, and so on. Let's suppose a car started from point 0, then it came to stop at point A. Then it started again from point A to B. You can observe that the graph is in a straight line. If you want to know the acceleration from point A to B, take the formula. Acceleration is equals to change in velocity by time. A equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So we will be finding acceleration from point A to B. Here final velocity is 60 meter and initial velocity is time is 20 minus 10. A equals to 40 by 10. After dividing, we get an acceleration 4 meter per second square. So you can see that the slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration. Let us now examine the nature of the velocity time graph for various types of motion. Uniform acceleration. Here you can see that time is on x-axis and velocity is on y-axis. The graph is a straight line. So in figure A, on seeing a graph like this, we can say that the body is moving with uniform velocity and with positive slope. Figure B, non-uniform acceleration. Here we can see that there is not a straight line. I mean the graph is not a straight line. Throughout the journey, graph is in curved line. So on seeing a graph like this, we can say that the body is moving with non-uniform velocity with variable acceleration which is not constant. Non-uniform retardation. In this situation, we can again observe that the graph is a curved line. As usual, on x-axis time is taken and on y-axis velocity is taken. Non-uniform retardation means when there is a deceleration in unequal time interval. In figure D, uniform retardation. This graph is again a straight line but it has a negative slope. So this kind of velocity time graph means that there is a body which is moving with uniformly decreasing velocity. And whenever there is a decrease in velocity, we call it as a negative acceleration or retardation. So in this case, acceleration is constant. Slope of this line is negative and straight line. Zero acceleration. In this type of situation, whenever we see velocity time graph which is parallel to x-axis, we conclude that the body is moving with uniform velocity and with zero acceleration.